Stay tuned for another edition of Talk to Solomon, the wisdom of Solomon, another gem from King Solomon's mind, brought to you by the Fuel Mule. Save 10% every time you buy fuel. Tonight, health care or health scare?
Want to talk? So let's talk. Yeah. Talk. You want to talk? You gotta talk. You need to talk. News talk.
I talk, you talk to Solomon. I talk, you talk to Solomon. Yeah, let's talk to Solomon. Talk to Solomon.
You gotta talk. You want to
Health
talk.
care or health scare? You know, I talked about the CPI, consistent, persistent, insistent. America's being just that way, and here are the results. Zogby, who is an Arab, who is a liberal, who is pro-Democrat, although he does do pretty good work when it comes to polling. Here's a poll, a huge poll, 4,200 people, not the normal 387 or 562 or the big ones of 1,063. 4,200 people. Here's what he came up with. Ask if they agree or disagree that the federal government should require all Americans to purchase health insurance or face a fine. 70% said, hell no. 18.5% said yes. Those were all people on welfare, in my opinion, that don't have to pay. A resounding 75% of respondents said that taxes should not be raised to fund a government-run health care. 75%. Are you listening, President Obama? 75%. The poster stated President Obama is promoting a new government agency called the Independent Medicare Advisory Council, and some people believe this agency should use its powers to deny payment for procedures it deems unnecessary or futile. Critics say such power will interfere with the doctor-patient relationship, and many consider it a form of healthcare rationing. 59%, almost 6 out of 10, said no. They oppose the creation of the council. Only 30%, 30.6 to be fair, support it. Those were young people. Some Republicans have called for provisions allowing Americans to purchase health insurance from providers outside their state as an alternative to Obama's proposed government-supported public option. Responsibly, they favor such a provision by 82.8% to 6.9%. For crying out loud, Mr. President. Mr. President. Not do you have ears? You have big ears. Listen. I'm sorry. Got carried away there. 78.5% of those polled believe tort reform is necessary to lower the cost of medical malpractice insurance, an issue that Obama has not considered seriously. 77.3% oppose plans to tax employer-provided health care benefits. Let's see. Mr. President, you have 0. Those opposed to your plans have all the votes. What do you think we're going to do? Oh, I know. Reconciliation. You figure that with enough Vaseline, you can jam it down our throats. You know what? If you stick something down someone's throat, they tend to choke and they spit it back up right in your face. Are you prepared for the Democrats to lose 100 seats in the House and 25 seats in the Senate? Are you prepared to destroy the party? The answer is I think you are, because I don't think you're a Democrat. I think you're a socialist. So do most Americans. Health care, by golly, health scare.